I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking 2 clear wallpapers, one bright for day, one darker for night, size to your screen. Once you have them, save both in one folder and name them logically so you won't swap them later. Make sure the OS allows desktop changes and that battery or power saver modes won't block automatic switches. Now, open your display or personalization settings. This is where you will create the rule that swaps those images on schedule. Now configure the automatic switch. Choose time-based hours or link to sunrise/sunset if supported. You do this in the OS Wallpaper Scheduler or a third-party app. Add a new rule, pick day. JPG for your daytime range and night. JPG for nighttime. If the app supports triggers, set location access so sunrise/sunset updates automatically. Once configured, run an immediate test by forcing the schedule to apply. Confirm the images change, and the cropping or scale. Finish by making the rule persistent at startup, and after sleep, enable run at login or a background service if needed. You should also tweak brightness and color profile because night images can look too warm or dim otherwise. If the switch fails, first check folder permissions and that the scheduler service is running, then recreate the rule and rerun the test. Finally, make sure any automatic night light or theme setting doesn't override your wallpaper. Disable that if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.